are here in Diders, which is the go-to shop for all things costumes. Joined here by Esteban, who looks stunning in his new costume. NCIS, watch out for him on the streets, guys. So yeah, we are here in Mainz to celebrate Carnival, the first leg of our Carnival journey. So just walking the streets, we can see some sort of show going on. So we'll see what that's all about. But yeah, we don't really know what to expect, but we're hoping to have a good time here in Mainz, although it's gonna be short, and kick off our Carnival journey. So Carnival is actually a season that starts on November 11th at 11/11 and ends right before Lent season. And the last week, so last Thursday is when it started, and it goes on all the way until Ash Wednesday. So here in Germany, there's one thing about Germans: they know how to party. Carnival is one of the highlights of being in Germany. So, yeah. There you go. Alright, let's go.
Mainz bleibt Mainz. Rabadabdabdab Mainz. Mainz bleibt Mainz. Von der Altstadt an der Vilsbach, vorbei nach Gunsenum, über Mombach, dann nach Finde und nach noch drumherum, ganz egal wo du herkommst.
So here we are in Mainz Carnival. It's pretty cool. We just saw the parade, but we're considering that probably the other ones are pretty big. Today there's not that many people, but okay, we will see what happens. Now Mike is getting a Nutella.
How do you know?
I don't know, I just saw the Nutella there.
Smart. So, day 2 of our Carnival journey. Goal, man. Esteban, well, keep it clean. Keep it for audience. Day 2 is here in Cologne. This is where a lot of the Carnival magic happens. And we just got out of the train station, and you can already hear the music playing. So we can already tell it's gonna be lit. It's supposed to rain today, but it's gonna be no match for the Carnival spirit. So here we go. I have a competition to get the most candy. So far, I think I'm winning. We'll see. Oh,
Idiotos, hey Mann, wir sind schwer in Luft. Ding Kapell, Dinge Fluss, Ding Sport, Karneval, die ganze Jahr, Rock'n'Roll und Uftata. Und frech mich einer, wo bist du dann her? Dann sag ich komm aus dem Dorf und der Dome. Wie schwarz dann du sag, wo bist du dann her? Ich komm nicht aus Amerika, ich komm aus der Stadt mit K. Ich komm aus der Stadt mit.
Okay, after an hour of begging for candy and flowers, we're about to tally up the final count. So, ready? Final total is, we each have 4 flowers, 1 sponge, Esteban has 1 carrot, I have a bouncy ball, you have a bouncy ball. He also has a bouncy ball. I have 48 candies, and the winner, Esteban, has 50 what? 53. Good job, man.
I knew I would keep this up.
Here's your prize.
Herzlich willkommen in der Stadt mit K.
Colombia, representing the world.
So today's Rosenmontag, my 3rd and final day of my Carnival journey. Unfortunately, Esteban will not make it today, but I will hopefully be meeting up with some friends and taking part in the Düsseldorf Carnival. So we'll see what today freaking stoked.
Die Sterne funkele, mir Düsseldorfer Schunkele. Heute ist uns alles egal, mir feiern Karneval. Die Sterne funkele, mir.
Man, Carnival is insane. It's like Halloween times 10. You got everyone dressing up of all ages, and you don't have to go like trick or treating. You have to go door to door to get candy, but they just throw candy at you. As long as you got a good hand-eye, you can get things like a milk bar. But yeah, I'm super stoked. This is really cool.
Auch schwer. Nimm alles leicht und pfeif was drauf. Du so, als ob ja nichts wär. Ärger und Trübsinn bringt nichts ein. Streif allen Stress einfach ab. Und du wirst sehen, das Leben ist schön. Du musst es nur richtig verstehen.
I am so drained of energy right now. All this noise from all these parades, and just everyone going nuts. I have to say that this is definitely by far one of the greatest carnival weekends I have ever spent. Starting in Mainz, which is for me very nostalgic because that's where I celebrated my first carnival back when I was on exchange. Compared to the others, I would say it's a little bit more cute. There's a lot more family-oriented costumes and parades. But they really had this cool this marching band that played some really good music, which is dope. Then the next day in Cologne, which I heard was the place to be for Carnival, unfortunately I found it quite underwhelming a little bit. It might be the weather, but it was also pretty cool. They get a lot of flowers and a lot of candy as well, of course. But here in Düsseldorf on Rosenmontag was by far my favorite day because it was just epic on every level. The floats were insane, as you saw earlier, and I'm just super impressed with the creativity, the overall aesthetic, the epicness of all the floats. It's only like 5 o'clock and I am super dead, so I'm going to head home, take a nap, and start working again tomorrow. Thankfully, Düsseldorf is one of the few cities that takes Rosenmontag off, and really happy for that, but I'm just super drained, so I'm gonna sleep on this one. So see you later.